Good morning, everyone. Most of the students are asking me one question, that is how to get the success and how can we set the goal. I'll give you the simple techniques. First one is goal, second one is concentration, and third one is time management, fourth one is perseverance. So with the four techniques, definitely you can get success in your life with your goal. Why do we need goal? First of all, tell to me the need of the goal. For example, I'll tell you one thing. We have a car with us, or otherwise bike. You don't know the destination. If you don't know the destination, where will you go with the car or the bike? So same manner, we need goal to reach our destination. Do you understand? So first thing, you have to recognize your talent to reach your destination. What is a talent? Tell to me. The talent is nothing but which is hidden in your mind already. So focus on that one. First of all, recognize your talent. Focus on that one. Work for that one. Definitely you can get the success. Main important thing is recognize your talent. Then almost you work for that one. Make this talent as a goal. Definitely you can get the success. And the second point, after completion of this goal, you can jump into the concentration. You completed the goal. You already recognize your talent. Then how can we concentrate this one? You know, according to the psychology, we are learning many things with the eyes, 83%, and hearing, 11%, and with the smell, 3.5%, with the touch, 1.5%, with the taste, 1%. So many things we are learning everything with five sense organs, but first mainly eyes are playing very important role to learn many things. How far you people are learning the things with the eyes, how far you are recognizing these all things once you recall, once you understand. Are you using your eyes to recognize the things properly? So, like this one, eyes. With the eyes, you have to learn many things. So, focus on this one. So, when you are learning these all things, whatever you are learning, 1 hour you are reading. So, don't distract by the other things. Don't give up. Don't distract by anything. You focus on only particular topic. You focus on particular eating and you focus on particular game. But don't distract by the other things. Concentrate and immerse into that concentration. Then definitely you can understand the topic. You can learn as much as possible whatever you wanted to reach. And next one, time management. Time management. Time is very precious, very important. It never comes back. That's what. This is very important. Do you know? We are not managing the time. Actually, we are planning and we are our activities and we are planning our schedules and activities according to our time. We are setting. Actually, this is one of the strategy to schedules and the plans. Everything we are arranging in the proper manner according to the time. So this time management is very important. One thing, what are the benefits we will get through this one? Time management. One thing, first one is we can enhance our skills. And second point, we can learn the self-discipline which is catched by our mind. And third one, we can reduce our stress and we can maintain the relationships also. So many benefits are there when we are managing our time. So time management also very important after completion of the concentration. And last one is perseverance. Perseverance. This is very, very important. Perseverance, very important. What is meaning of perseverance? Continuous efforts, continuous learning, continuous work about the particular goal. That's what we call as a perseverance. We never give up. That's what we call as a perseverance. 2 or 3 times we fail. Most of the people, they fed up with that goal, to fed up that business, to fed up that activities. But don't give up. If you have real interest in particular goal and a particular field, work for that one. Do for that one. Live for that one. Die for that one. That's important. That is a perseverance. If you fail again, you have to try for that one. That is very important. When you are fulfill this one, definitely you can get success. Do you know? So I hope this is a lockdown moment. Most of the people are sitting at home and students are browsing very interesting things. And they're concentrating many things. and exams are appearing, who are appearing for the exams. So those people, you just, after completion of these exams, you set your goal. Don't get any confused. If you like this video, please share this one or subscribe this one.